higher pump. Put some shades on. Let it up, man.
Hello guys, today 22 December 2023 and the temperature here was 37 degrees. It's kind of cold, and today I'm walking around the 32nd Lexington Avenue, and I'm gonna walk to the First Avenue, and on my left side is the International Social Justice Commission, and at my right side you can see they have an Irish pub over there, and they're open until 1 p.m. I mean 1 a.m. and today kind of cool, but I forgot to bring my glove, but it's okay, I can switch my hand. And this area I think is the recycle garbage for today, and they wait for the sanitary city to take it today. So that's it. Now we are at the 237. You can see right now almost Christmas, and ornament already stay on their house. Oh my god, it's so cold. And we almost arrived at 2nd Avenue. So on my left side was Rosa Mexicano. It's like a Mexican food, but they don't open the outdoor dine-in. Maybe just because very cool weather for today. And we keep walking. And for you guys, they have a Petco on my left side, and still a lot of customer come in to prepare their pets before Christmas. You still can see homeless. We have to wait for the traffic light before we cross the street. No, it's okay for us just to cross the street. It's something made by the woods. Oh, it's a sport lunch. I don't know what's the meaning of the sport lunch. And in here they have a chocolate with a cone. This is for vegan people. You can enjoy the vegan food over there. It's so interesting. Oh, this is another brands of Equinox around the midtown. Kind of quiet. So that's it. And if you prefer something like a juice, you can buy the juice under the fitness center. To be honest, it's really cool today, so I can cross the street. And that's a saloon, and also this is a real estate company. And they have a blue line window office. It's a family dentist. Oh, very cool. But it's not that good idea. Somebody treatment your tooth can see you from the window. That's not cool for me. But for some people, of course, it's interesting. There's a pizza restaurant. Ooh, my hand kind of freeze. I need to cross, and there is a lot of flowers over there. Spicy food. There's like some of the art, like an antique store. And the cleaner. It's now the time for us to cross the street, and so you can see on the cross of the street it was a dim sum garden, margarita pizza, and hot jimbadejo.
I love you. Bye.
So guys, that's it for today. Maybe I'm gonna continue recording. Maybe I'm gonna cross
And he
this.
was like, what? Yeah, it was like awkward for a second because it was clearer than I would have.
Maybe I'm gonna cross this way. Then I'm continue at the other side. Oh, it's such a beautiful. So, oh, better I go this way. They have a big bridge. It's like a Queensboro bridge. So okay guys, I think that's it for today because my hand is kind of cold today. We're gonna continue later again. And today December 2023, 22 December 2023. And temperature kind of dropped like a 35 degree today. So thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any idea that you want me to walk around with you guys around the city. You can mention at the comment below. Once again, thank you for watching. Fishing by Axe. Want to say bye bye.